Well done, ramp campers.
Sorry, Maxwell. I've been teaching them to tidy up. Now it's like they don't want to stop.
That's fine, Scootio. The place could use a good fixer-up. Anyway, today's an exciting day. Today, you'll have a chance to earn your rescue badge. Hey!
Yeah, rescue badge!
Vroom! A rescue badge? That'll be easy. Easy for you. You were born to be a rescue bike.
This isn't any ordinary rescue badge. It's a Ramp Camp Club solid gold rescue badge. You'll have to be extra strong and fast and tough.
Woohoo! Yeah, Ricky Zoom here. I'm extra all those things.
And work together as a team.
That's me too. Team Ricky. And all of us. Gotcha. See? Rescuing is easy.
Ricky, Scootio, Loop and DJ, report to the emergency training area for rescue testing.
Go! Come on, Scoot Bops. Time to roll.
Maybe you could leave them here? They're saving me having to sweep up.
OK, I'll put them on automatic and come and fetch them later.
OK, guys, just relax. Today we're going to see how well you work together in rescue situations.
Yep, we've got some pretend rescue jobs for you to do, complete with a bike to rescue.
Ow! Great acting, Blip. I'm not acting. This branch is scrunching my spokes.
Boy, he's really good.
If you can complete these tasks, you'll all get your rescue badges.
Let's zoom!
Buddies, go!
Yeah, done! Have fun!
Now let's rescue Blip.
Help!
I've got it.
We totally did it. Gonna get our badges. Tire bomb.
What?
We did it?
Don't worry, gang. We'll set everything up again and you can give it another try.
But we passed the tests already.
We did? I was pretty sure all I did was crash a bunch of times. You did. Ricky passed the tests.
Ricky, you did great. But for everyone to earn their rescue badges, you have to work as a team.
Huh?
Hank! Emergency!
Sorry, kids. It'll have to wait. Emergency! Emergency! They ran out of mess to eat, so now they're eating everything that's not mess. Hey! That's my good wrench! My favourite workbench! Don't worry, Maxwell. We'll be right there. Uh-oh! No way! You are not taking my lunchbox.
Oh, the Scoot Bops are on automatic. They won't listen to me.
Don't worry, kids. We'll handle this. Come on, Hank. Let's stop the Scoot Bops.
Oh, why can't we go?
'Cause we're not rescue bikes?
But we could be. If we went and helped, they'd totally see what a great rescue crew we are and give us all our solid gold badges.
So you will let us do stuff this time?
What? Of course.
Maxwell, you okay?
My lunchbox! Mine!
Maxwell, it's Helen and Hank. What are you doing up there?
Those scoop bops chewed up everything. I mean, yeah, the place is the cleanest it's been in years. But at what cost? At what cost?
Well, let's get you down from there. It might take a little while to get a ramp up to you.
Where did the scoop bops go?
Oh, when everything was cleaned up, they just rode off. I suppose in search of another mess to clean.
Good acting, Blip.
I might be able to get them off automatic if they just sit still.
Why do robots hate me?
Ricky to the rescue! Scoop Bop, stop! I said stop! Hey! What's wrong with you, Scoop Bops? Can't outsmart a rescue bike. Whoa!
Ricky, you okay?
I'm fine.
You don't sound fine.
No, they escaped.
Go on. Ricky, you're a great rescue bike, but sometimes to save the day, you need more than just you.
Like two me's?
That's not what I meant. You need a team. Your parents are a team, right?
Yeah,
And you're part of a team too. Us.
you're right. We are a great team. I bet we can stop those Scoot Bops together.
Wait. So Blip isn't acting.
Okay, rescue bike, what's the plan?
All for one and bikes for all. Nice work, DJ. That'll hold the net in place. Now take position until my signal. Time to back up Blip.
Rolling at ya! Don't worry, Blip, we're here to help. These Scoot Bops are looking for mess, so let's give them less mess. Zoom cam, go!
Nice work! Now for phase 3, dirt distraction. Luke, mess it up!
Finally! A good reason to get dirty. You can stop now, Blip. They're not chasing you anymore. They're chasing me.
Nice work! Take it to the net. Wait. Hold it. Now! Yeah! Zoom-tastic!
Oh no, they're still moving too much.
Rescue bike. I think they're having the net for dessert.
Huh? No way! The bike buddies always make their rescue. Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Ricky to the rescue!
Wow, nice work, Ricky.
Yes, you really saved the day.
It wasn't just me. It was all of us. We're a team.
Okay, there. They're off automatic. They should listen to me now.
Hooray! So, can we try to earn our rescue badges again? As a team?
Oh, I'm sorry, Ricky. No. Because you already earned them. All of you.
Now, who wants their badges? It's all about the teamwork.